Welcome. I'm Dave Rohrer, Deputy County Executive for Public Safety. I just want to speak briefly about the county's preparations for Hurricane Sandy. As you're probably aware, we're not really certain right now how the hurricane is tracking or where it may impact or come inland. But for the Board of Supervisors, the county executive, and all agencies, the top priority, as always, is your safety and your welfare, that of your families, that of your neighborhoods, and that of the entire community. So, just so you know, in the county, all agencies right now are doing a lot of work. They've all been directed to closely monitor the storm track and prepare the response. We've been in close contact with the National Weather Service. We've been doing a lot of teleconferences, a lot of planning. So again, our responsibility is to get ready for the later this weekend and possibly Monday or Tuesday as the storm comes inland, and we may see the impact of that. Certainly the public safety agencies, police and fire right now are doing a lot of work, pre-positioning resources like generators, signage where places usually flood, our swiftwater boats, the fire department are getting those ready, stormwater planning and responses and clearing of drains, checking dams, getting our shelters ready, preparing to house animals if we need to do that. A lot of work is going on right now. And I want you to have confidence that we are doing due diligence and planning and preparing to keep you safe, as that again is our top priority as always. I would also say and remind you that you have a role in this as well, and we really need you to stay informed. We ask that you look at our websites, look at the blogs, sign up for the Community Emergency Alert Network, anything that you can do to prepare your family, your neighborhoods, your businesses now. It's too early to know where the storm is going exactly, but it's not too early for you to get ready and help us get ready. So we ask that you stay informed, stay notified, and by tomorrow, Saturday or Sunday certainly, we'll have much more information to share with you. But I want you to be again confident that your county is doing all it can right now to get ready, to work with you, and we're also working collaboratively across the region with all agencies to get ready. So we wish you all the best and be safe. Thank you.